Off to Disney!
Yay!
Finally! Yeah, I'm tired. We stayed in Dover last night just to get a full night's sleep, and now we are all refreshed for Disney. We have 3 nights, 4 days at Hotel Cheyenne, and we're on our way there now, and we'll keep you updated on our journey. And then we've got lots of stuff planned. We've got lots of like Disney bounding and lots of stuff that we want to do in the park, so we'll keep you updated and come along with us. Me and Ryan are thinking that we might do this for the vlog. Might go out on the deck and just do a bit of that.
I'll probably throw over the edge.
I think we can do that. We're like,
yeah.
Hi everyone, we're off to Disneyland Paris. Whoosh whoosh whoosh.
Yeah, not a chance.
And we're on the ferry.
I don't think I could lift you.
I'm colouring in my colouring book to help pass the time. It's a Disney's Disneyland Park colouring book, and not Disneyland Paris, but I thought it would be quite a good idea. Done Donald and the popcorn, but I got a bit more to do there. And then I'm just going to start this side, so I just can get a bit more coverage. And yeah, very chill way to pass the time. It's already been an hour and 15 minutes, and we're almost there, aren't we?
Yep.
Yeah.
Good. Easy drive.
Easy drive, yeah.
We're going to Disney.
I'm ready.
We arrived.
Backpack ready.
Yeah, we arrived.
Not check in yet, but we're
Have
going
we?
to go into the parks, I think.
What are you, the Beatles?
Can we get in the bus? Or are we walking?
If it's here, but I don't see it, so.
The saloons.
It's a 13-minute walk.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, it's just down this road,
So
and then you turn something.
the
right.
bus is like, the bus is directly across from reception, so that's really handy.
Yeah, the bus stops there.
Right there. Yeah, there's a lot of people there, so maybe it's coming, but I'm happy to walk. We've made it.
Our first ride,
Yeah.
always pirates.
Always pirates. Good, down we go.
Et maintenant, tas de fripouilles. J'ai entendu 6. Qui offre 6? C'est mon Gardez votre homme, les gars. C'est de l'or qu'il veut.
Okay, now we've done pirates, you've not done the maze.
No.
So we're gonna go do this. Up, down, this way, down. Which way?
This way.
But what about that way?
This way.
Oh no. What?
Ciao. I'm dizzy.
Which way?
That way. Nope, not that way.
This way.
This way. I'm so confused. How are we going back up now? Where did she go? What the? Where did she go? There you are. Yeah, a little bit.
She's painting the roses red. She's painting the roses red.
Crazy.
Is she painting the roses red?
Yes.
But why? Does she want them red? Or does she want them white?
I can't tell if this is the song or if you're just questioning everything right now.
This is the song. Painting the roses red. They're red and white.
Oh. She's painting them red?
Because she wants them red.
Well, yeah, because they got red paint.
Okay. She's painting them red. We figured it out ourselves.
Yeah.
I should have done that.
It just took ages.
I just was confused.
Why did you take me down here? You just took everyone else down here.
Sorry.
You led us down a path we can't follow. Don't do it again.
I thought maybe this was the right one.
I am actually genuinely lost. These crazy guys.
No, liberty! Angela!
What is going on in there? Hello?
He's mad about something.
He's really angry. I am genuinely lost. I thought we were really close to the castle, but apparently not. And don't tell me it's the wrong way.
I haven't missed the castle.
How? We made it to the castle.
I don't love you, We found it!
We are in our castle.
Beautiful.
This is beautiful.
This is pretty and golden hour.
Yeah, I bet, yeah. We ain't getting gold now though, because look at the clouds. But we can try.
Now we need to try and find the exit so we can go watch the parade. Where are you going? Legit, that's terrifying! Where's he gone? Oh, I don't like it. Oh, it's not you. Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to get through there.
How do we get out? Oh my goodness. I want to watch the parade. We're gonna miss it. We're literally gonna miss it. Oh. Wait, we are actually going back the way we came.
Are we?
I think it's that way.
No. No.
You can't go all the way back
They used
through. Whose idea was it to go in a maze?
Yours?
No, you were like, I've never done it before.
Like, should we go to the maze?
We did
We
it.
found it. It's been 42 years, but we found it.
We've aged like how
Yeah.
much? But we are out. Oh my gosh. I never struggled that much to get out of that maze. We did something
Honestly,
wrong.
mazes just stress me.
Yeah.
It's swords.
Do you think you're gonna do it?
Yeah, I got.
Are you 100%? Okay. I like your confidence. Go on then. No, not lifting. Eee. Wait, let me take a picture of my phone. 1 second, sorry.
Put my back.
Hold it. Woo! I'm getting wet.
Yeah, I love it.
bakery and I was looking at the beignets and I said to Ryan like, oh, I don't want a Mickey filled beignet. And I was
like, neither do I.
I was meant to say chocolate filled.
I don't want a Mickey filled beignet. Poor Mickey.
Chocolate filled beignet. I don't want a chocolate. I just want a normal beignet.
Poor Mickey.
Oh yeah, no thank you. We got the goods. The Mickey filled beignet.
I already took a bite out of it.
Yeah, I was trying to take a picture and he came in and was like, ow. They're good?
Yeah. I feel like it needs powdered sugar on it, but it has got chocolate in it somewhere, so.
It's not focusing. I like it. Oh, there's the chocolate. Okay, that's good.
Quite maybe chocolate.
Okay, 1 second. I think it'll be good. Do you like it?
It's nice with the chocolate.
Okay.
It's not Nutella.
Not. Oh, it's not. It is?
It's Nutella.
Okay.
It's definitely Nutella. I'm coming to explain.
Come under the umbrella.
Right.
Come under the umbrella.
Jess said, oh, we only need one umbrella.
We do.
And I was like, no, because you'll take mine and run away from me with it.
No.
And she's like, oh, this is... I am stressed, can you tell? So, I've lost my train of thought.
Yeah.
Either way, she said, oh, we only need one umbrella, and then ran off with it. And like, yeah, we only need one umbrella, yeah?
Yeah. You just will be quicker. And also, the beignet was very good in the end. I really liked the Nutella.
I didn't like Nutella. It was alright.
It was good. I liked it.
It did need the chocolate in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like Nutella.
Shame you ate it
What
all.
do you do about it? I did eat it all.
It kind of.
Ow! And she knocked me out with the umbrella as well.
Okay, ready? Let's go! You gotta be quicker.
I'm grumpy in Disney.
I'm not grumpy in Disney.
I'm not
It's still beautiful, even in the rain.
What are they waiting for?
Oh, I don't know. Are they sectioning it off for the parade, the show already?
No, surely not.
I mean, it's raining, so I'm not sure, but...
What time is it?
Popcorn!
It's like 7. Oh, maybe.
Maybe, yeah, because that's going to take ages to close all that.
Yeah. They're all cozy under this umbrella. You know, if
Should
I had
we?
my own umbrella, which by the way she's using mine.
Mine's in my bag.
I don't have yours.
If you get out of my bag. Should we go on Thunder Mountain in the rain? 0 minute queue?
Yeah, walked on.
Walked on,
Not
literally.
like a Miss Fisheye.
Yeah, walked on because it was raining.
We're so soaked. Went on it twice.
That was so good.
It's basically a walk on both times. It was amazing.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's 5 minutes at the moment
Yeah.
because obviously it's raining and people don't want to go on it. But
Usually when we come here, Big Thunder's like a 50-minute wait.
Usually we can't really get on it, so.
I'm soaked now.
I'm soaked.
I don't need these umbrellas anymore.
Should we go again?
Sure.
Yeah.
5 minutes.
Okay. What else we'll go to after? What's the boat? Obviously it's not the nicest to ride the boat in the rain, but
15, but I think we can get nicer weather for that.
Yeah. What else is there? What about
Orbitron is 5.
Okay. Buzz is 10.
10.
Should we head over there after?
Yeah, go to that area.
Okay. Should we go on Haunted Mansion?
Yeah. Let's go
Okay.
on Haunted Mansion.
Let's go.
Perhaps you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Hélas, les choses ne sont pas toujours ce qu'elles paraissent. Tous les contes n'ont pas de fin heureuse. Par ailleurs, il n'y a ni porte, ni fenêtre.
I'm still confused how it does it. Like, I understand the theory. Like, even now it's still growing, but the ceiling's going further away. They like follow after stuff.
Oh yeah.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining.
Oh, it's actually really fun.
You push your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town.
Wow.
I tell myself I don't
Cool.
want that, but glitters and gold. I tell myself I don't need it 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside.
Oh my god, it actually angles. I'm terrified. I'm terrified.
I'm so full of it. I wanna be the light.
It's pouring down with rain, but
So wet.
we're going to ride Thunder Mountain and the fireworks, aren't we?
Yeah.
We've never done it before, so we're trying to time it well, because right now it's about 1:45, and it's a 25-minute wait, so we think if we get in now, at least if it gets longer, we'll still be in the queue. Hopefully it doesn't get cancelled because it's raining, so we'll see. Let's try it anyway.
I wanna be the life of the